Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to generate addresses in Liana wallet, how to label them, how to verify them on your hardware signers, how to check the lists for these addresses. Let's get to that. First, you need to come to the receive menu and click on generate address. It will show you a new address. You can add a label for it, sats, and then I can verify it on my hardware device. So once I click on verify, it should prompt the ledger that I've connected here. As you can see here, it says receive in known account. Now I can check account name Liana. This is the address, and I can double check it with the address on the screen. Also approve the address, and now I can use this address and send it to others. You can check the addresses here in this box where it says like previously generated addresses, and you can see all of your addresses that you've created from before. The address that I used to receive a gift from Tom, the address that I used for acquiring No-KYC Bitcoin, and also the address that I used for KYC exchange. So this way we would have the Bitcoin separate from each other, preserve more privacy this way. If you guys have any questions, you can also ask questions in our Telegram community, which will be happy to answer your questions there. See you in the next videos.